Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Final Cut Pro for multicam editing on Mac, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Final Cut Pro for multicam editing on Mac, first ensure you have the latest version of Final Cut Pro installed on your Mac. Launch Final Cut Pro from your Applications folder. Once opened, create a new library or open an existing one to store your multicam project. Next, import your video files that you want to use for the multicam edit. To do this, click on the File menu and select Import Media. In the Import window, select all the clips you want to use for the multicam editing. Right-click on the selected clips and choose New Multicam Clip. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to name your multicam clip. Set the appropriate synchronization settings based on how you want to align your clips. You can choose to sync by audio, timecode, or automatic settings. Once you have adjusted your settings, click OK to create the multicam clip. Now, locate your newly created multicam clip in the library and drag it to the timeline. To start editing, double-click the multicam clip in the timeline. This will open the angle viewer, displaying all your different camera angles. You can then play through your footage and switch between angles in real time. To switch angles, simply click on the desired angle in the angle viewer while the clip plays. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to make swift edits between angles. Go to the File menu, select Share, and choose your preferred export settings. Finally, your multicam project is now ready for sharing or uploading to your desired platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.